In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and edit a Word file in Canva. Let's open a Word document first. This is the newsletter that I have taken as an example. Normally, if we import this file into Canva, the formatting changes. But we don't want that. We have to import the file without losing the formatting. For this, we have to make this file a PDF. In the title bar, click on File. In the left side menu, click on Save As. Now, click on Browse. In the pop-up, click on the File Type option. Select PDF from here and click on Save. Now, launch the Canva app, or go to your Canva account if you are using it in a browser. In the main menu, click on Upload. In the Upload menu, click on Upload File. Now select the PDF file we just saved and click on Open. Here, you can see that my file is uploading to the app. After the upload is complete, open the file. Here, you can see that our file is now in the Canva design. You can now change any element you want in the document. As all of you know, designing a document is a lot easier in Canva than in Word. If you want to edit the text, just double-click on it and you'll be able to edit it. By following these steps, you can import and edit your Word file in Canva easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.